Yamasi Ediba Emadek TV so nyame enhira obi bia okoso ehwe Emadek TV onye mokase and then santo wa ha biem ewo Akete Mpeninsem sensema ekoso eno ho na de eye maame a friend say sister ama ehun sensem na ye ba beka esan say mahu video bi a circulate a eye Ojohn ekot na menua Nature TV channel so na okasa ye ni nyina ichi ntu se na eju ba bi na obahye maame na odidi maame na atem keka na adwenkyere maame no but you see maame na Ojohn eba ya ono no keka na adwenkyere maame no on the most serious note maame ne de na nka de no waye isan say one wine dem no okasa ya o support to be you comedy and say o mota be you comedy achi sisi ya me no okasa most of them uti mi a most of them no eju baby no mo tan bi you eju baby no mo tan menua bi you because omo ntia asem ni mu ye but later om kotena so mu say no menua bi you eye ni papa wa anya boni bia so I just say because the woman in question ya Ojohn wa betena awudi na ntem the same thing ono nso no wanya obia mana ncheche asem ni mu ankyere na mo dada ni nti no ono no be hu say menua bi you aye den I big mistake and I say menua bi you sisi akwala na menua bi you ti say nsemo security ye no menua bi you enka no kore sa na maame ni hu no ejuti maame ne letter no kora na otwe na o say efan bi no say o mbayi no wa na so oba be so akwala nim no aboa akwala na ade bi you ye no aye ne ya enso so na ente sa eti eye sa nkofo no bia ta na maame ne so ye na odo ti ye odo a wo ma Akete eneni ne ya me no kezi ye nkofo bu wa still na they still upon the ekosu nyina no almost hu ni say still na no bi you ye nipa boni ni eneni ne ye he but ye nyina ye betumi ehu ene hwe bi you nkwala wo no omu ye adwuma hwe nigie omu hia hwe se ne efe de na ye hunu nti Ojohn wo ba ya na nka wo ba be kasa wo Nature TV channel no so na wo se wunya abotre ezan say issue we beginning no because Ojohn you are a senior man we are respect you a lot me respect you because industry like we a senior man we industry we but the dream be issues be ban say oh yeah wo kana wo attacking nkofobia sometimes not attack it from the positive side she nsem say ne ekona kan say ne etie so about to me be gina na okeka wa adwen kire maame na sister man na den na onim de odin sika ye eno onye say na a whole lot of things as when tisa so and tisa emra issue we ya Akete Mpeninsem maame mu issue ba yi ni ade wo betna channel so anasa amafo interview e ma odidi maame we atem ke kan nsem bebre ye kire maame no na enya asem keto in fact who did the maame na tembebre ye mu bi we sorry whilst we were trying to explain things for the public out there to see say Akete maame a mistake onya aboto ye say no obetna channel so na Akete maame ye ni be na oye say even kasa ya me bi krati ya menua bi you mu nyina there are so many things how ye den okay kan ye later there was an audio wa miminya ya na wo wafre maame na wo fra Akete maame ma wo Akete maame record an audio afra Akete maame asema wo kan say your friend say obi like obi afra wo say o meja Akete manage no nti na wo pese wo fra Akete maame na o ya we say bia nipa na o ka so ofre no wa ya na ka wo ba beja Akete manage no ama maame ni boka atro Akete maame ni boka atro wo say aya unfortunately aya sometimes mita yi e wo me phone so ni ade ma Akete maame boka atro wo say your friend say sa asem no de jaikan na se ka asanko de your friend say Akete be ma pa de sanka wonko an the only person na wo ho a Akete betumi ni wa ya adwuma de a ene anka ne ba no anka won jai no ntena fi wan ka sa asem na nche o ka kire o it is because of some of the things you said and then that statement like wonko an na betumi manage Akete and now say and anka sister man hu wa ne de ni I mean e de be kwakusi ti sister man na wo ba ye na wo twabo no na wo keka wa adwen kire na wo twabo no keka nsem kire no in fact sister man was doing her job as obi a ono no pese obo Akete Mpeninsem she was not having interest in any of their sika o munya ne ade oye na dwuma o ni sika She just wanted to help the innocent child. It is rather unfortunate. Nanka cast ni nyemo beto ankobeto ni nyina aba. Kwanto to ni nyina aba. It is over the terminal of grudges be no. You see some of these things na mo ya na manipa enu no hokto on be so ogbo obi no. Because obi a oyi na akoma mo person ogbo obi no. Wo aba betna wo didi na tem. Wa betna edina. O kika nsem ejuba bi kwa na odina tem kra. Minua de cha person o ka cho say jai. Nature TV person o ka cho say jai. O si David jai mama kwan mama nkasa. Oh, mama kwan mama nkasa. But on the most serious note no, enipa no oba mu so oba abeboa. Wa mamu se oba betete obi antem. Wa mamu se even Stella no mpo na security abonten a ye ka no ho nsem na Stella nyo na Stella diseyo. Ono so no the same odona no owo ma Akete. A one thing you may be as from beginning no. I don't know how call be our platforms as here could didi obi atem. The same odona. I na akoma ba na bufu aba ne ade. But even when you look at things Stella no mpo no utie ni nsem any audios I mean a whole lot of audios say you no dey na nimini but say your no audio dey me tie a whole lot of audios that she doesn't even mean bad or no so cry she doesn't mean bad for Akete she doesn't mean bad for your friend is saying be you what do I say but her approach to certain things you know I don't know man kofo be na ebo ni din no because the mre be you issue ne ba ye ne ade no her obi ama me we be kwa ne platform as be kwa kodi na tem on say ne ba ye mo ka say onu no mom na akoso the downfall of Akete any say any man inside issues we nyina but e bi kura na nka she doesn't mean bad enti anti ama na onu no de ti na bro chire wona she came in to support Akete Mpeninsem onu no di ni sika be wura Akete Mpeninsem de eni san kama me kura na e didi na tem eni san ma me kura na e kasa tia no because in one of Akete Mpeninsem ne ma me kasa mu no o say ontumi nyina ba bia nyi ma me ne boni aye da ontumi nyina ba bia eyi ma me no boni aye da so what you say enti no ejuba bia mmie nya abotre how are you putting certain things because ene na bia wu ni se ma me no na ena wonim ni odin sika ye ena den ena a whole lot of things no trust me say bi kranka wo kran de akora ne bre wa anka samre nka ye west more than what you think aka ye west more than what you think because Ojohn you know we senior man you know we nim say ne nkora ho adwuma ya munyim you know how I tie say one akora be ya adwuma ana asem no ekwa eba nyina we ye dan ya Akete maame ho nsem bon mu kakra say in a way no ono so kra no eniema bebre na no ekutia no the same thing ene ba no Anthony no wasad no so a eno so eniema bebre na ekutia no by nipa na she came in to invest her money in there she was just using it I mean she was trying to make sure say sika na odeba no omo de be ye ne ompeso ne waka che omo so omo nye den wo mo nye not with bad intention but say omo fanye ne ono no maame no ase omo fa sika ne den enye nti Mr. Ojohn I think say corner sabla biem you need to see how a certain sometimes we kasa actually nkofo bi a they genuinely come in to help people na anko ya you then come and sit down and bash them no these are people who have the interest and they still want to go ahead and support young ones the less privileged people at that time Akete Mpeninsem needed someone to come in to support her she needed someone who would come in and put money into her industry. So what did this woman do wrong? What did she do? Like where did she, what? Where did she go wrong? Where did she go wrong? Was it her fault to think that I love Akete and I want to finance her production? I want to give money to the people to work, and even the money I'm bringing out there, or the money I'm pumping into the industry, I still have the right to know what they're using the money for, so that at the end of the day, I don't see myself wasting money out there, whilst that money that I'm bringing, the money that I'm investing, will not have an impact in the girl's future, will not have an impact on Akete Mpenisem's future. She wanted to make sure that every bit every money, every coin that she was investing, that she was pumping into Akete Mpeninsem production will be used and used well. That was why she said they should open an account for Akete. She just said, open an account for Akete. Every month I'm going to deposit 1,000 Ghana cedis into that account. Where did she go wrong? Where did she go wrong? It was later on when she found out that, no, I have to be careful. Else, I will end up investing in people rather than Akete. I will end up putting money into people's pockets rather than Akete. Because if I bring the money and they don't put it into the account, then it means they are not using the money for the intent purpose which made me brought the money. And you are here insulting her, saying all sorts of things. So we need to bonini and what to say and what to say and one yard and one yard and one yard kind of crown family and munyusu and look, go and come again, Miss Raw. Please, this is Emadek TV. Keep on watching Emadek TV. You support Emadek TV and pushing the brand out there. And Miss Raw, Ojohn video now on Nature TV. No, me de 12 video way so. But before I am the channel, now me catch them say my phone number is 055 1973717. 05519737717. Say once we issue biya or person worker or suggestion concerning Akete Mpeninsem issues we are also once we are doing whatever it is no ube to me I contact me was our number WhatsApp number and no my WhatsApp number 05519737717 05519737717 also free and answer send voice message and now your video kwa kesa whatever it is no na fanto channel no so say ne be ya amanfo so be nya wagen kire e wa asemu hu yera ase nyame hyiram Ojohn video no neta so mo hwe mat
adan akugu ayo de
esa akugu de onka nipa ho akugu de say onyu obi a o say na ono Ghana card o ma nya ama no it is any power me no me sheda am fani serious so enti tie asem no ka no e mani brisem
me awe
akora ni sika woni ho artist bi enu ho Ghana ha a sika woni ho che Akete.
Wow.
Me na kato Dr. Like sika wo Akete ho che Dr. Like.
Wow.
But omo manage Akete no omo nim nyansa enti omo nya sika ne ma. Enipa na o manage Dr. Like onim nyansa enti na sika ne ye dey. Eba no sa na adwuma ne tie. Enti sister na o tie abuchire no mo onye na adwen se owo ni sika da ne botom ti onim nyansa obetumi aboa obi. No. Wo sika no nche se wo knowledge. Sika ne de ida so bi na de che ana wadwuma bi a wo ye na wonya ye ana adoma chede bi na ma wonya sika no. So what I say? Good. Enti no o sika a untimi fiti prekopem wo sika nti bosu ya ma 10 million manager ma 5 million me nye hwimfiri metoka ma metoka na ma de mu pe bia me ya ma bosu me so sika no mo nche me nya bi unim nyansa.
Ojohn.
Me na me enye se me di na temu me pese me kire se wo ye sa na wonim nyansa. Me asem na me ka no se wo fa na se me didi watama don care. Asema me kan no kwa na me ka kire wo pa fa wo pa me fa. Se wo bie channel ana we wa so wo support wo bi awo na dwuma wo yim se de sister ndi sika ne ba no meti se wo kan se sika no me mpe bi enti se e ba se sika no so a mo market 2% na mo ma we hu ahwan na mo ma we hu ahwan no se sister no na adwene se sister no na adwene mu da ho a ana se o hia obi te se me Ojohn na me ma no advice aka me ka che ni se o mpe sika no kora age ne fa to ho e ma kora no. That's how you do no. And kasa me mpesika. Wona wo du sika eba. Enti e wo se wo to ka no. Me pa cho e ka na me bo no boso me bia me boka 30 million. Enti 30 million e wo se me make sure se me 30 million ato ansa na maye dey. Di aka no. Me dem mama fa.
Me research kakra me here say. After so we free Anthony ni was say ni sister Mpeninsem no. Before fra be fa no ma sign a contract. O ma sign papers. Bibia dana kwem.
Ah sister ne ka ho.
There be the sister ne Anthony ni o say no ma twom ho.
Enti me ka se onim nyansa ma di na tema na mini na tem.
And minim
ka se ma onim nyansa ka na cha ka obete
nyansa me de obi di ni sika aboa obi ene kwa de website onim nyansa no nche se
ma me tire
onim nyansa no nche se mi
odu sika aboa obi no nche se onim nyansa me na me ka kiro odu sika aboa obi a asema bible kan se to aboa do gu so na da atwon sa be kan no ho adwuma na wo ye
okay
wodi sika ma wodi sika aboa